to go.
This is Mew. This is Misty. Say hi. Okay. I think Andy's still upstairs. Andy! What's up, baby? What's up, baby? Hi! Hello! Say good morning. We're doing a day in the life video!
I'm actually pretty fucking upset. I'm gonna tell you why I'm upset. I'm upset because about 2 weeks ago, I found out that I am lactose intolerant. A bitch can't have milk or chocolate or any of those delicious things that I really like and enjoy. So now I have to drink almond milk, and it's not so bad, it's nice, but I miss my 2% and my whole milk and my chocolate.
This is what I got for breakfast. I have 3 scrambled eggs with a slice of ham, some cheese, onions, and tomatoes, and a little bit of salt. And I got this non-fat Greek yogurt, tropical fruit. I know I'm lactose intolerant, but I can kind of tolerate small amounts of dairy.
Financially successful, because to be very frank, something that I've decided I'm going to spend the next 80 years of my life on is, I genuinely think as a society, we have to redefine success and dramatically start downplaying money and start playing up happiness.
Alright, so it's raining outside, and I kind of just wanted to get out here and show you guys that I have this hole right here on the driveway that the FRS, now that it's settled, it keeps scratching right here on the side. And because of that, I'm going to show you guys what's going on with the side skirt now. The side skirt, right about, you can't really see it, but it's right over here. And it chipped off, and I'm afraid that it'll crack onto the side skirt, but I don't know. Mud. It's muddy in here. This is why it's so dirty right here, because of all this mud that is right there, and every single time I clean it, it's really not worth it. I can't wait so I can expand this whole driveway, maybe 2 or 3 more feet, so that I can avoid having this happened to me all the time. Nobody wants to be out in New Jersey right now. It's cold, it's raining, and I absolutely hate this weather, but I have to go to my P.O. box to see if you guys have sent me anything before the P.O. box sends it back. By the way, I didn't do my makeup because I don't feel like it, so oh shit. Okay. Got stuff.
Okay, have a great day.
Thank you.
Anything else?
Okay. Thank you. Seems like we have a pamphlet for Harbor Freight, and somebody sent me something as well, so yeah. Okay, here we go. Okay, I got my knife now. Where do I start? Maybe here. Okie dokie. Okay, they're... No way! This is so cute! Oh my god, wait, I think... Is this what I think it is? It's a pink screwdriver set! Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it, hold on. This is so cute. This is so cute. This is cute, guys, look. It's a little screwdriver set, and it comes in this little pink box. So the first thing that I saw in here was the Chapman Manufacturing Company, and they're made in the USA. Seems like they're very proud of that because it says it on the box right here. It says it on all their pamphlets, and it also says it in this tape that came with the box. It says USA, made in the USA. So it's hand inspected and assembled by Paula. I'm assuming she works there, so thank you so much, Paula, for, I don't know if you sent it to me, but whoever did, thank you. It says bits that don't screw up. Get it? That's cute. Thank you so much for sending this to me. This is super cute. I'm definitely going to be using this, and I'm very happy that it's made in the USA, because we definitely have to support more things that are made here in this country. I really enjoy it when people send me tools, because as I said way before, I really don't have a really big collection, and I've been trying to collect as much as I can so that I can build up my toolbox. And little by little I'm getting there, so thank you so much for sending that to me. When I did my live stream, I did open my first PO box that was ever sent to my PO box, and I don't know how clear that came out because it was very blurry when I did my first live stream. Sorry about that. But someone sent me, someone by the name of Lee, by the way, I still remember his name because, you know, it was the first person to send this to me. He sent a 37-piece combination impact socket set. And the person who sent it to me is from Boston. He sent me this cute postcard, and it says, "Hi Liz, here's some sockets to hopefully help you keep safe. They're not the best, but will hopefully work okay until you can get some better ones. Keep up the good work, Lee." Oh, I forgot he put it in his, he put his name on the postcard. I really like postcards. This is cute. I think I'm gonna put this up on my bulletin board, or I'll start a postcard wall. That's really nice. I really enjoy this, so thank you so much. And I know he sent this to me because of that video I did with my coilovers, with the Greddy XKW coilover install, and I was using regular plain old sockets that were not safe, and a lot of you guys were super concerned. But again, like I told you guys, I really don't have a collection of tools, and I really appreciate this, so thank you so much, Lee, and thank you so much for your cute note. I also wanted to say a few things. I know that my content hasn't been 100% on schedule. I don't have a schedule. I've never put a schedule on this channel, and I don't plan on doing it anytime soon until I am in a warmer environment. It's 48 degrees right now, and it's raining and it's cold, so I can't work in the garage because everything is super cold. The tools are super cold, and I know some of you guys are gonna be like, Liz, you gotta stop procrastinating on, you know, finishing the garage. I don't want to get sick, and the last thing I want to do is get sick. I know I have 2 giant projects that I have to finish with the FRS, one including the driver's side front inner and outer tie rods. So I went to Toyota and I got end links for both the driver's side and my passenger side because I don't have end links. I took these off when I removed my team coilovers and installed the bags. This is my inner and outer tie rod. So I have a brand new castle nut, and as well as different types of nuts here that are going to be replaced and change the old ones that I had. So I have everything ready to go. I just need to get the car up into the garage and I'll be able to make that video. And I honestly, I really hate that I've been waiting on this because this is super important for me to do. I've been driving the FRS and with literally my ass cheeks being clenched because I'm scared every single time I get in the car. I'm like, oh, is today gonna be the day? And I know some of you guys are gonna be like, oh, why don't you drive the Z? The Z wasn't drivable because I was painting the dash, but now it is. So I am gonna be driving the Z more, and I'm going to keep the FRS in the house so that I can work on this car. I also want to give a shout out to Mishimoto for sending me this box, and inside this box is going to be a video that I'm gonna make. There's no video inside the box, wait. Inside this box are gonna go towards a video that I am super late on, but it's going to be a major upgrade on my FRS. And as you guys already know, Mishimoto is very famous for their cooling products and all that stuff, so I'm going to be doing something to the FRS in the next few days. And tonight we're going to be putting the car up in the garage so I can get the inner and outer tie rods in, and I can also start with this project. So I just want to give a huge shout out to Mishimoto for this, and I'm sorry that it's taking so long for me to do. I know that the FRS was down for a few, but it's coming. One of the things that I do have to do for the FRS, now that I'm looking at it, this is a solenoid. This is a shifter solenoid for the FRS, and at first I panicked because the car wasn't, like I told you guys, when I blew that fuse, my shifter wouldn't shift. You had to press the emergency release button so that the shifter would move, and I procrastinated a little bit. And after a month it went back to normal and it started working again. So I ignored it. I was like, okay, then I don't have to change it anymore, but I'm gonna keep this just in case. Well, just in case did happen because it reverted back to not working again. So I'm gonna have to install this solenoid at some point. Hopefully I can bang out all that stuff today when I get the car back inside, but that's another thing that I have to do. Not because you guys asked me, but because I want to share with you guys my favorite tools that I use on a day-by-day basis, and I just want to share with you guys. Hopefully you guys like it. None of this is sponsored, by the way. I'm just letting you know. So like I told you guys before, this little brush thingy for cleaning carpets, amazing. This Milwaukee drill, amazing. This mini shop vac from Walmart, amazing. This Husky 28-piece combination wrench set, amazing. This magnet thingy, you see this? You see how it just, this magnet stuff? Yeah, cool when I lose bolts inside my car. So it wasn't even that expensive. I think these were like $5 on Amazon. Everything that I'm mentioning, I'm just gonna leave the link down below where you guys can go check it out. Craftsman box cutter. Amazing. Like, Don't do that, guys. Please don't do that. Another thing is this DeWalt safety glasses that I should be wearing all the time, but I don't. You guys tell me in almost every single video that I work on my car, and I just don't wear them because I don't like to listen to people sometimes. And even though I own 3 of the glasses and I never wear them, but here we are. Yeah. And it's not that I don't want to wear the glasses, it's because most of the time I forget and I'm already under the car and I don't want to get out from under the car and I'm too lazy to even get up and get back under the car again. And yeah. Okay. So I just brought this down from up there and I want to tell you guys a quick story about the storage bin. So true story about this bin. When I was about 13, 14 years old, I got really big into makeup. And I lived with my mom back in Queens when we lived and shared a 1-bedroom apartment between my mom, my brother, and me. Storage bin my mom bought for me when I was 13 or 14. I remember when I first got it, I was super excited because I used to keep some of my stuff like underwear and socks in plastic bags, and I really needed a storage bin to put all my stuff and my makeup. And I remember when we went food shopping, I found this and I asked her to buy it for me, and at the time it was a luxury to get something like this. The storage bin cost maybe $10 or $15 back in the day, but it was a lot of money, and considering that she only made about $6, $7 an hour, it was a lot. So when I got the storage bin, like, I was super excited because now I was able to like store my underwear, my socks, and my makeup, and I never got rid of it. And it's the oldest thing that I know I own from my childhood, and I'm really not trying to cry because it's just something that really means a lot to me. And now sitting here in my own house, in my own garage, I'm wearing fucking Balenciagas. It's crazy. And after I moved out on my own, I used it as my small toolbox. And this is what I used to store all my tools. And yeah, it stayed with me ever since. And I really, really like it. I don't want to cry on camera. Hold on. So I just want to share you guys. So down here is where I kept like my socks, and I kept my undies here. And then I kept my makeup on the very top over here, on the top and the second one. And then right here was like for underwear or like my bras and stuff like that. And like you see how little space it is? Like it wasn't a lot of space, but I didn't have that many, you know what I mean? And then later on this became my tool thingy. Yeah, I still have a few stuff in here. I think those are old coins and stuff. But a part of me doesn't want to let this go because I really love it. So I think what I'm going to do today is clean this up and bring it up to my office so that I can store my stickers and my posters and all that. And I'm going to remove some of these stickers that I have on here. But yeah, I'm sorry for just getting emotional, but it brings a lot of memories to me. So yeah. So not only was this thing broken, old, shitty, and all these little tiny blind thingies just came out. They were so cheap that they didn't want to buy new shades, so they fucking stapled it. They stapled it to the fucking window. Look at this. My God. I gotta clean this up. This is annoying. But it should be a lot warmer here tonight with that being up. It's raining really, really bad, and I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and make some dinner. So on my Instagram, I get a lot of people who ask me why I always go out to eat and if I know how to cook. The answer is I do know how to cook. It's just my kitchen is under remodel. Like, look at this. I don't even have countertops. It's just the bare cabinets, and I've been cooking like this and using my bathroom sink. Yeah, as you guys can see, I don't even have a backsplash. I still need to do that. I've just been cutting on like a board or putting down these little shelf planks, and I've been using them as my countertop space. But I don't cut my stuff on this. I put a cutting board and I start cutting things up. But this, I don't even have a sink, you know what I mean? Like the dishwasher is supposed to go here, and I'm supposed to be changing this trim. But for now, these are my new cabinets and I'm pretty happy with them. But yeah. This is gonna be my last meal for the day, and I packed some lunch for Cody for the week, so I'm gonna pack these up. And yeah, I was moving things upstairs before I left, so these are all the vinyls and stickers and stuff that I've been working on. I was just messing around with some designs, but I really want to make these stickers available for you guys, so I print them out in my own printer, but obviously it kind of sucked, so I'm going to reach out to a company to see if they can print them for me. But these will be available for purchase, and true story, I made this design myself. Okay, so I kind of wanted to show you guys this real quick. Valentine's Day was not too long ago, and Cody, my boyfriend, if you guys don't know him, he got me this, I'm gotta be careful because this is kind of sharp. He got me this welded rose made out of metal, and I thought that was pretty cool. See? A friend of mine, he's a mechanic out here in New Jersey, he made them, and I thought that was pretty awesome. He made a few batches and I was able to get one, so thank you, babe. Also, I really like Cards Against Humanity. I'm not kidding. So if you guys follow my channel at all, this is the little cactus that I stole from Sarah's front yard, and you know, she's not looking amazing, but she's living, she's alive still, and it's in this llama pot because I love llamas. But yeah, it's alive. It's really freaking cold out here, but tonight we decided to come out to this Belmar meat made by Los Goonies, and it's super ratchet right now. I gotta show you exactly what's going on. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!